Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you had a fantastic weekend. Last week, we talked about feeling cray when the liver and the body detoxifies everything that you consumed in 2019, and now you're trying to flush it out in 2020. We're going a bit further. We're talking about fasting. You hear about intermittent fasting. Keto fasting is a very popular subject in healthcare because of all its benefits, such as weight loss and detoxification. It goes even further. It helps build mitochondria, helps build new stem cells, reduce inflammation, fight off infections. The list goes on and on. I will tell you, fasting is not for everyone, but I will say this, it has a big impact on your mental and emotional state. As you start the new year and you want to give up old things and start new things, as you train your body to abstain from things, you train your mentality to do what? Look for new opportunities. That's how fasting helps your emotions. But I want to go into this whole realm of why my patients feel bad when they fast and want to give up. Don't give up. This is how it happens. Remember we talked about phase 1, phase 2 detoxification. Your toxins will store in your fat cells, plain and simple. Now, as you fast, you stop consuming sugar as your primary energy source because you're stressed. So we consume sugar for quick energy. But when we fast, we start to pull out the old fat cells, so we burn fat as a slower energy source. But when we do that, our bodies release the toxins attached to the fat-soluble toxins. In the liver, you're in phase 1. You start to detoxify those fat-soluble toxins, they get stuck, and your body's going, hey, I need to push it into phase 2 to make it water-soluble. Remember, we talked about that last post. But what helps it along? When you fast, you stop eating food. And you need amino acids and proteins to help you push you into phase 2. So when my patients tell me that they've been fasting, I say, you know what? I know you're fasting, but what would help you is taking some amino acids and certain methyl donors like B vitamins to help you push you from phase 1 fat soluble into phase 2 water soluble. So you can pee it, poop it, push it out through your skin, through your sweat, through your bile. And that's how it works. Many of my patients, when they feel bad when they fast, take a little powder, maybe some glutamine, cysteine, taurine. You need a healthcare professional to help test you on the amino acids you may take or the protein sources. But if you take that while you're fasting, you will find out that your fasting will actually have a much bigger benefit to you. You'll actually push your body from all the fat stored toxins into that water soluble. So I guarantee you, you're fasting with intermittent and you start doing some amino acid therapy or protein therapy, taking supplements, you'll find out you'll detoxify even quicker. You'll see the benefits go higher and higher. Now, I said all that to say this. Don't be discouraged. As you're letting go of all this chemical toxins, you'll notice that your mood and your emotions will get better. Because as the liver detoxifies in Chinese medicine, your perception or your decision making gets better. You know that in the new year, you want to create all these new things in your life and you go, I don't know where to settle. Cleaning out the liver will help you stay focused. They call it the hun. It's the shen, it's the mind within the liver in Chinese medicine. Clean your liver, take some amino acids. I hope this helps because really, I want you to emotionally let go this year and to see things anew, receive new things. I hope this helps. Remember, amino acids, detoxification, fasting. Now, people say I don't need to fast if you check out my thinness, but I will say that it's helped all my patients. Love you guys. Have a good day.